I'm sending this car to this shop to check what are the codes. Okay, this is a professional tools, so it will tell us the code. Motion sensor.
Oxygen sensor satu.
Sekejap So that check engine light turned out to be the fault from this number 1 oxygen sensor. Okay, yeah. And I did some research in YouTube, which said that you can solve the problem by some products, okay, such as this one. This is actually the second product that I used. Previously, there's another product. So in total, I have lost about 200 ringgit with such product, and still the check engine light is still there. So finally, I decided to go with another oxygen sensor. So this one is used one. That guy charged me 270 for this used oxygen sensor. And new one could cost you about 500 to 600 ringgit, okay, which I think too expensive. So I will try to replace with this one and see whether the light gone or not. Man, this is hard. This screw unit, this kind of socket to remove the oxygen sensor. Okay. So this is mine. This is the used one that I bought. So I can see that it's a carbon. Lots of carbon built up on my sensor. So we will try the used one. Okay, I'm going to apply a little bit of copper grease. Okay. So tight it adequately. So the clip breaks as I try to pull it out. Okay, this is nearly 20 years old car, so everything made of plastic will become brittle. That's why I secure it with cable tie. So now let's start the engine to see whether the light is gone or not. Okay, wish me luck. So I think it's working. Okay. So the check engine light gone, and previously I had VSC and I don't remember. There's another one in on the right. Okay. So now with the replacement of oxygen sensor, all the light gone. Okay. So I think I have managed to solve the problem. Okay. And that overall I spent about 270 for the oxygen sensor, and then the rest for the additive, the cleaner, 2 products, and then plus about 30 ringgit for the socket of the oxygen sensor. Okay. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave your question under the comment section below.